We are Sky Shield Construction. We are here today to present our environmental health and safety plan for the engineering hall at University of Illinois. Hi, I'm Jiaxin Wu, the project manager.
Hi, I'm Chi Zhang, safety manager. We're going to go through our introduction of our proposal and the EHS management policy.
Let me first introduce our company. The Sky Shield Construction is located in Champaign, Illinois, and is a general contractor founded in 1855. We mainly perform residential and commercial construction services. In this presentation will be structured in 6 phases. The engineering hall is an administrative building, and this building design was selected among 15 great work from the architecture grad students. And the engineering hall is located at south end of the Green Street in Urbana. It faces south to Illinois Union and faces north to Bardeen Court. So this plan is to provide a methodology and organizational structure to manage the safety, environmental, and health issues. This plan applies to all the employees, including other project-related operation units. And this plan also provides a professional expertise with the strategy and how to implement the plan. For our company, our objectives are not only to meet the standard building code, we also want to address on our 3 zero values: 0 accidents, 0 injuries, and 0 deaths. Let's move on to the EHS management policy. We developed the responsibilities into 3 categories: for the normal workers, for the personnel in supervising positions, and the personnel who in management positions. Here's our responsibilities and also authority from the managing teams. We also developed the qualification process for the subcontractors. And before the mobilization, we need to hold the safety meetings among project managers, subcontractors, CMM, and the safety consultant. And in a day-to-day basis, crew workers and the superintendents will have the project meetings address on the important job hazard analysis. Also, we need to have the daily inspections to fix and observe safety issues. When it comes to the task-specific safety planning, supervisors or qualified foremen will develop the activity steps and the procedures to utilize the equipment, have the job-related hazard analysis.
Next, I'm gonna go through our auditing policy. Each workplace or department is required to conduct at least 1 safety audit per month. Our safety consultant Yi-Ting Zhou will use auditing methods to determine overall effectiveness of the safety plan in our workplace. She will ensure all elements of auditing are complete and eligible. There will be 4 major training given to our personnel, which are orientation training, on-the-job training, annual refresher training, periodic safety training, and all the training will be documented if necessary. As you can see on the table, our company has established our progressive disciplinary program for minor safety violation. Employees may be subject to immediate termination when they violate a serious safety or health criteria. These include but are not limited to the item on the list. For our personal protective equipment policy, our supervisor will ensure all PPE are properly used by their employees, and we will provide proper training, guidance, and assistance to supervisor and employees on the PPE. A defective or damaged PPE will immediately be taken out of the service.
Hi, I'm the safety consultant. I'm going to talk about the site security and access control.
Prior to commencement of field activities, all field personnel assigned to the project will have to be provided trainings that will specifically address the activities, procedures, monitoring, and equipment for the site operations. All personnel who have fulfilled the access requirements will be issued a photo ID card. Employees will be required to present ID cards prior to admittance and exit to the site. There will be chain-linked fence outside the construction site to ensure safety and security. All breaches of the fixed secure perimeter shall be manned by security personnel until the breach is repaired. All individuals are supposed to develop a personal concern for safety and health. For the enhanced security protocol, the security is applied through the application of physical and operational measures. Physical measures are infrastructural designed and deployed to support security. Operational measures are those human activities and processes designed and performed to support security. Emergencies happen unexpectedly and quickly and require an immediate response. Therefore, contingency planning and advanced training of staff is essential. In the event of an emergency, the emergency coordinator shall make contact with the local emergency response personnel and inform them of the conditions of the site.
Hi, I'm Ren Hua. I'm the senior superintendent. I will go through the incident report.
About the incident report, all personnel are required to report any injury or work-related illness. All the copies of reports can be found on the Safety and Health Manager, Medical Professional, or Human Resource Personnel Office. About the investigation, the site supervisor Chi Zhang, he will investigate all the injuries and illness and take a written statement or take a photo if needed. Complete an incident report form and supervisor's incident investigation form. In the end, provide all incident investigation report form to the office. About analysis, analysis will be conducted by the Safety and Health Manager, Medical Professional, or Human Resources Personnel Manager. He or she will determine from the incident report form and the supervisor's investigation report form and any claim form associated with the incident. Interview relevant personnel and site investigation if needed. About the incident record keeping, incident log is conducted by the Safety and Health Manager, Medical Professional, or Human Resources Personnel Manager. He or she will enter any recordable incident. If the injury is not recorded on the OSHA log, add it to the first aid log. A signed copy of the OSHA log summary will be posted, and any employee can view an OSHA log upon request at any time during the year.
And in Phase 5, we analyzed operational EHS requirements for 23 operations. For example, in excavation and trenching, the competent person should inspect all the trenchings, and all the activities should comply with the OSHA regulations. And for scaffolding involved activities, there's potentially huge fall hazards, so further attention should be made. And for fire protection and prevention, all the construction sites should be free of obstructions and no smoking allowed in construction sites. Also, the works area should be free of combustible and inflammable materials.
I'm going to talk about the emergency action plan.
About reporting emergencies, first of all, emergencies can be identified as incidents like medical, fire, severe weather, and so on. All the personnel should identify these emergencies and report them to the emergency coordinator, Zheng Haoluo, and call 911 at the same time. Specific emergency procedure includes stay calm, assess the situation, take command, provide protection, maintain contact, guide the emergency service. Chi Zhang will be responsible for the basement, first floor, and the second floor. Jia Shengwu will take the rest area. Emergency coordinator will be Zheng Haoluo. There are 4 evacuation plans: medical emergencies, fire emergencies, active shooter and workplace violence, severe weather and natural disaster. Medical emergencies, for example, includes survey the scene and evaluate personal safety issues at the first beginning, and ask for help and call 911. Alert the personnel who already got training. If the trained employees are not available, try to provide the following assistance. First of all, stop the bleeding with firm pressure on the injury, and second, clear the air passage. Meet the ambulance at the nearest entrance or emergency access point and direct them to the victim. There are some contacts includes ambulance, police, security, building manager, and companies which supplied electricity, water, and gas.
Hi, I'm John Haro. I'm the contractor coordinator.
Hi, I'm Chi. We're going to go through our site logistic, egress plan, and the investigation report. Our team has developed a series of logistic plans in accordance with work efficiency and safety consideration regarding the nature of the site. How to minimize the construction impact on the neighborhood should be taken into account. During mobilization and excavation phase, vehicles can access to both east and west gates to enhance efficiency. Location of site office gates, staging area, storage, truck road, parking, safety sign, pedestrian road, and circulation are noted on the map. During foundation and superstructure, movable crane will be deployed on south side of the building. Crane movements are noted on the map. The vehicles can only access to the west gate. As the construction moving forward, major construction will be moved to north part of the building. A lighter crane will be placed on the north. At that time, the east and west gates will be utilized.
The engineer hall was built in 1894. There were 2 flight staircases, 3 entrances for basement, 1 entrance for the first floor. So we designed 3 rooms for the basement and the first floor. For the second floor and the third floors, we designed 2 rooms because they only have 2 flight staircases. The assembly area was located in the parking lot, where it's between the engineer hall and the union. In 1998, the school rehabilitated the engineer hall, added 1 more flight staircase in this building. So we designed 3 rooms on the first, third, and fourth floor. For the second floor, we designed 2 rooms. Besides, the building which was between the Granger Library and the engineer hall was demolished. So we think there will be a good location for the assembly area.